Can you wait for me, right? No, I'm getting there. It's in John chapter 2, verses 1. Kulaa mcimbi waseKana ngoba lana kaJona waseKana nayo iyanibhidisa, but ndisebhizi iyo ndisazamkhangela uba uJona wayetheni ngalo mtshato achuze wona. But the idea is xa uYesu esizalisana imiphanda ngamanzi, the whole situation is wathi esithathani la manzi ninike lo ophethe itheko anike aba betheko. Ithi bathi bataste bava, this is the best wine. Now nami lisafunda nabafunda iBhayibheli bayafunda naba, when did the miracle actually took place? Akekho waziyo to date, nama njazi unganibuzi ngoba everybody doesn't know about, did the miracle happen when they poured the water? Did it happen when they dipped the cup? Did it happen when he moved with the cup? Or did it happen when they taste? Abanye believed even the color of the water did not change. But somewhere, somehow, no one knows the microsecond and the minute where the miracle took place. Now that's how God works. It will be untraceable. I don't know who I'm talking to today. Kulonyaka awuzukwazi ucacise ngoba lento yesalary yakho incinci cha i-lifestyle le ayihlangani nayo. It will be. So play strings.